The beginning of digital forms of money denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage trend to advance. In any case, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange charges. Allow us to have a speedy look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the gigantic capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, in this way expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential goal of Bitcoin money was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and contentions encompassing versatility in the blockchain, keeping in context distributed exchanges as the centralized server and security as the urgent purposes. This BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, consequently accomplishing a dramatically fast of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero exposure proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any verifiable information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security deterrents are captured first. A striking quality of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. Bitcoin money functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and conspicuous, Ziglo, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, soon after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are mind-boggling instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash cryptographic money skip to a gigantic level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender as opposed to a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, a resulting rectification cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a notable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Being perhaps of the most seasoned player in the digital money market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its convention's genuine applications have likewise covered various significant classifications that endeavor organizations might actually be keen on. Furthermore, Bitcoin money's huge local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention upgrades, could be considered by big business organizations as a mechanical advantage. As indicated by determined Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto goliaths as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH value expectation, it can generally ultimately depend on $280.62 as most extreme cost in 1 year. Bitcoin money figure is by all accounts showing negative feeling. It might dishearten its financial backers cruising scarcely at $84.24 as least cost toward 2023 out of 1 year's end. In view of our Bitcoin Cash cost gauge, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your speculation might be degraded from here on out. Bitcoin money ABC got enrolled in the Gemini trade, drove by the Winklevoss siblings, with NYDFS endorsement. Likewise, the quantity of exchanges for Bitcoin money appeared to be developing dramatically. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV didn't figure out how to acquire a lot of prevalence. Be that as it may, both of these coins are as yet accessible in each significant digital currency trade. Bitcoin money's cost today is exchanging around $129.59, with a coursing supply of 19,344,675 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,507,060,467. Despite the fact that the digital currency has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back into the game, as gathered by specialists. All the more critically, the undertaking is doing a ton on the development and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into blankness. Bitcoin money can exchange on Bitcoin's past triumphs and validity the other digital money world with the likenesses and divided history among the two significant monetary forms. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As aforementioned, Bitcoin money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions in cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in no time. Numerous specialists prompt that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you collect the greatest and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin money cost for momentary additions. With the market being totally capricious, gauging the digital currency cost is truly to a greater extent a bet in karma as opposed to an information-driven estimate. The last year was a unique advantage for BCH as well as for the greater part of the monetary standards, including digital currencies along with fiat. World economies somersaulted definitely considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin money. BCH cost forecast from that point forward has begun drifting towards positive thinking than cynicism. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Thus, normal cost expectations for BCH remain very reassuring. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts. The coin's cost has been diverging from its way typically every several years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as indicated by Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will manage the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to support and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances, according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an extraordinary change in the Bitcoin money cost conjecture when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value forecast 2025 assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number. It is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin money will be fundamentally more than its untouched high in view of our BCH cost expectation. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the most extreme cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 in light of